What's up, man? What's your name?
What's up, nigga? You know, they call me the master, so it's all good. That's all I gotta say. You know what I'm saying? Joel, my team. Raised and born in Massachusetts, you know, got a big ass dick. What else? What else can I say, nigga? You know, that's me. Yo, nigga, what's my weed at? Can't do no fucking interview on my weed, nigga. Come on, nigga. Oh, that shit right there. Some good shit, man. What's really fun? Is China and shit? It's good shit, man. Let's hope. Oh, yeah. Yeah, nigga, so. Got these fucking glasses and shit. You know what I'm saying? So what's up, nigga? What you gonna ask me, nigga? Hurry up. Got bitches to fuck, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You see my eyes? They real low, nigga. Smoke this like a pound of weed and shit. They're real low. To the flow.
What car you got?
Well, you know, it depends what day it is, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Mondays I got the Beamer. Tuesdays I got the Lambo. Thursdays I got the Caprice. On Fridays, you don't even know what I'm on Fridays. Got the Bugatti on the Fridays, you know what I'm saying? Saturdays, you know, Saturdays and Sundays. Got the Seattle Camry, you know, 2000. Pretty laid back. That's it though, you know. We real G's.
How you like shop?
Shop, you know, it's you know, it's all good. I mean, you know, learning some shit. That's all I gotta say.
Deuces. C Shop. So bored. Joel's about to spit a rap.
Him look like he's scoped out.
Spoke that haze.
So you rapping or not?
Let's do this, Joel. You rapping this? This is C Shop television right here. You're about to spit it.
I don't call him that bitch ass nigga. Your little Wayne, you bitch, so you know what you did, nigga. It's all good though.
Can you speak up, please?
Yo, shut the fuck up over there, man. I'm being in the serious. Fuck, nigga.
Eat muffins, bitch.
Don't do me like that, nigga.
So you gotta say it once.
I discovered Drake. Now you don't go, nigga. Put that shit on my face, man. I can't be doing that shit. Boy.
This is real shit out here. See this C Shop. This is real stuff right here. We don't play.
So you rapping or not?
I can't rap right now, man. It's too early in the morning for that shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't Wiz Khalifa smoking all day, smoking all night. What's that song called? Party all day and a party all night. That song is the gayest song. This bitch just me.
You gotta get closer. Alright, you ready?
I think I'm ready. I mean, you know, I'm really listening out, you know what I'm saying? Boston, what's up? Do y'all niggas suck? Yeah. Huh? Okay. Yeah, I like this beat though. Where's that beat from? Okay. Good shit. Yo, what's up, man? Four fingers, huh? I like that. Yeah. I'm the really fucking nigga. That's what the bitch be on my nigga. And I still say what? Bitch be on my dick. I said, bitch, get off. That's just a little taste for y'all niggas, you know what I'm saying? Oh! Spit that what? Oh my god. It's gonna be a rap right now. I mean, I'm gonna toast these niggas' heads off. Toast them. Yo, about to bake these niggas right now. Cream cheese on these niggas because they fucking bake. I stay fucking. You guys gotta stop with that shit.
Hold on.
How much you gonna go lick them?
Go ahead. Activity week.
Activity week, bro. This is what we do. We lick toast, son. Let's go.
Yeah, you expect a verse?
I can't spit a verse for no. Oh. One rapper you don't miss their OB is still rap. Let's go.
Stupid shit. Yeah, I gotta stop this.
I can't just spit a verse with no lie, you know?
Oh, yo, pass me a pencil or something.
Oh!
I don't got no pencil. Is there a pencil?
Yo, it's a minute 29. It's a minute 31 right now, bro.
Yo, give me that. Give me that thing. That screwdriver. Yeah. Yo, Pat, you make a beat with this thing?
Nah, nigga, I need
Oh, fuck.
Nah, y'all niggas, you know, you can't touch me.
It's one of the illest rappers in Lynn Tech.
Nigga, let's talk. That's all. Yo, that's everything. Spit a verse? Alright. One verse, one verse. I ain't copy that. What the fuck you talking about? Okay. Fuck around and get a beat, you know what I'm saying? I can't just go acapella on these bitches, but I'm gonna do it. I do it. I ain't copy that shit either. Yo, alright, just show each other real quick. It's 2 videos right here, you know what I'm saying?
From both angles.
Yeah.
Look at the post. Look at the post. Look at the post. Doug Light. Alright, get him.
Yo. Huh? Yeah. What?
Turn his mic up. Turn his mic up.
I can't hear this one. Turn it up a little bit more. Maybe I can. Taylor game. Look at that. I originated that shit. Like, that's Taylor game bounce. Yeah. Nah, I can't fuck around right now. I gotta put that down right now. Yeah, please, guys.
Yo, who's winning? Who's winning? Pedro, you losing? I'm still on Pedro's team. And I don't know how you missed the field goal, bro. Last day. What's up, guys?
What's up, bro?
Last day right here. It's last day, you know? What's up? Last day of school. What you playing, Josh? Oh, he got the gay ass Xbox with the 360 face. Oh, David, I didn't say what's up to you. What's up, David? What's up? You gotta shave the beard off, you know what I mean? Gotta look young. Kane doesn't have to. Big beard. Eat muffins.
Whose Xbox is this? Man, you got to buy your own Xbox? That sucks, man.
Xbox is mad.
So, Anthony, how many points you lose by?
I 21 pieces, nigga.
20. Yo, Anthony, how many points you lose by?
14.
Oh, 14? Can you say that a little louder?
14.
Oh, cool.
I 21 pieces.
Oh,
21 pieces.
21 piece still? Eat muffins, kid.
Eat muffins, baby.
It was 14 to like 32.
Goddamn. Bow wow. You got bow wow.
You just don't know.
The way your body card touch.
Then you got that on camera? That's good shit right there.
With the two, damn, that shit hurts now.
What, hit you with that?
I knew y'all niggas was gay. I swear this gay ass nigga. Yo, Kim. That's our fucking head right there. We do it. Damn, that head is like HD. Why it sounds so gay on your phone?
I don't know.
Your phone's good. Damn, you trying to say you tried. Spank that ass, huh? Yo, if this was PS3, yeah,
I do bitches the meanest. Tell them that I love them, but I don't really mean it. Oh, nah.
yeah, that man. Thought you had a friend on camera. Damn.
Oh, you motherfucker. You motherfucker.
Yo, come on, you really recording? You gotta get the cameraman. Get yourself a kid. Get yourself a kid. That's Kim Pro Lang too and mad ugly. Yo, where's Jenny? Kenny Choop.
Damn, I haven't seen that nigga for a minute. That was it.
Where's Johnny from the block?
I don't know.
This little cop.
Damn, they got the big boy tank right there.